The first step to success in transitioning from marketing to sales. Sugar Marketing Engine is presented here as a journey. You can see the interactions an individual has been taking both online through forms, through email interactions, and through landing pages. This is presented to the seller so that they know what marketing has been doing on their behalf. To look at these sequences, we can have a look at what's been going on. In addition, we can see, as an individual, have they been part of a campaign? Have they received emails? And have they even signed up and attended events? What this looks like to the marketer is a flow of sequenced events where we determine what needs to happen in what order and when do we notify sales that things have happened, that they need to pick up the phone or make a phone call. Marketing can even, beyond alerting the owner, can actually create the task to put a phone call on the calendar for the sales rep. Once the seller receives this record, they can also apply journeys to that individual as well. What you see here is a journey or a sequence that is already in process. In this case, it's making some suggestions of when it thinks these next steps should be completed. By checking the check mark, the seller completes that step of the process. All of this flows into the score. Sugar provides an easy-to-review timeline of all of the events that are occurring with an individual. In this instance, we're seeing phone calls, we're seeing chat events, and other interactions, including phone calls and meetings. The journey assists with sequencing events, and in addition to that, the seller has the ability and option to schedule additional phone calls and meetings in addition to what's being assisted by the sequence. Ultimately, all of this activity, communication streams, and scheduled events end up being surfaced up to the end user and to the seller in the form of dashboards so they can see new leads, activities in flight, things they need to be doing, and they have the ability to drill down into their account list view and pull open the focus drawers to take a look at what's happening with certain accounts so they can quickly move into action and take the next steps. Also, using the comment log, users have the ability to comment and collaborate amongst themselves internally and share information and ask for assistance.